How to get Meta AI on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, what you need to do is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and after checking on the connection, launch the Play Store application. Now, search for Instagram just to make sure you have an updated version of the Instagram application. So let's tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. And here, as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So we can simply tap on open, and this will lead us to our Instagram application. So make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, to check if we have got Meta AI on Instagram, we can simply tap on the DM section at the top right. And here at the top, you can see the option of Ask Meta AI or Search. So this way we have got Meta AI on Instagram. So if you do not get this option, even after having updated version, then it might be due to its unavailability in a particular region or something like that. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.